kami ni Joel, we basically agreed already na i-divide ang education committee into two, basic education and higher education. Since ang experience ko sa local government, I will be taking the basic education committee. And since ang experience ni Joel ay sa TESDA, he will be taking the higher education and technical education committee. So itong dalawa yung aming pag-usapan, but we will also collaborate closely since tawag naman sa amin kambal, so we will be collaborating closely. Ibig sabihin, he will be the vice chair of the basic education committee and I will also be the vice chair of the higher education.